BobbleMy, a 6, 7, 8-inch customizable bobbleheads, sending photos of a full body in green or blue design of your choice of a fisherman, as I have here from the company of BobbleMy, making me a bobblehead. It comes nicely packaged and wrapped all around, as well as your bobblehead inside. You get a gift bag, you get a gift card, and you get straw paper inside to line your bobblehead and hand off as a gift to one and all of your favorite loved ones and more. Just not a human being, a dog, or anything that you resemble that is custom made by clay and painted. As we inspected and opened up the bobblehead, we are again going to show you how carefully this is wrapped and protected and what it looks like of a photo of me as a fishing person with a rod and camera in hand. Here is the bobblehead of me exactly as I dressed and sent the photo in with a fishing rod and camera in hand. A close-up look at the head. A close-up look at the head, the glasses, and down to the shirt of fish. The camera in hand and microphone. To the shoes that I'm wearing and the fishing pole. The detail of the handcraft customizable BobbleMy head. This bobblehead measures about 7 inches in height. So you're looking for a customized gift to give to a loved one, a friend, a boss, a worker. Take a picture, take a photo, share the photo, and get step-by-step instructions of updates on your bobblehead when ready. This is the bobblehead of a fishing. Check online for further details about your bobblehead and what you like in a design. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you. Thank you for viewing your bobblehead my in a gift box. Simply open up, place in, fill the card out with your personal saying, with the gift bag box, your bobblehead my ready for you. Enjoy your product and thank you for viewing.